You spend 5 hours a week in meetings and forget 80% of what was said. AI meeting tools fix that. I tested the top 5. Here's which one is actually worth paying for. Professionals spend an average of 23 hours per week in meetings. AI meeting assistants can recover 5 to 8 of those hours by automating notes, summaries, and follow-ups. Otter, the most established player. It joins your Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams calls automatically. Real-time transcription is accurate. The AI summary is solid. 300 free minutes per month. Pro is $17 a month. Best for individuals and small teams. Fireflies, the best for sales teams. It transcribes calls, but the killer feature is AI-powered conversation analytics. It tracks talk-to-listen ratios, identifies objections, and extracts action items. Integrates with your CRM automatically. Free tier available. Pro is $19 a month. Fathom, the best free option, and it's genuinely free, not a limited trial. Unlimited recording, real-time transcription, and AI summaries at no cost. The catch is it only works with Zoom. If you're a Zoom-only shop, Fathom is a no-brainer. DV, best for team collaboration. It records meetings and lets you clip, tag, and share specific moments. The AI generates notes organized by topic. Great for product teams who need to share customer feedback across departments. Free for recording, $25 a month for AI features. Granola, the privacy-first option. It runs entirely on your device. Nothing goes to the cloud. You take rough notes during the meeting, and Granola's AI enhances them into polished summaries using the audio. Perfect for legal, healthcare, or any field where call recordings raise compliance concerns. My pick for most people: Fathom if you use Zoom, Otter if you use multiple platforms. Links and free trials in the description. Subscribe for more AI tool comparisons.